How to identify plants in horticulture techniques and methods. Plant identification is a key skill in horticulture, helping gardeners, landscapers, and botanists understand what they're working with to provide the best care, management, and design. Observation of plant features. Start with a detailed visual examination. Key features to observe include leaves. Look at the shape, margin, edges, arrangement on the stem, alternate, opposite whorl, texture, and vein patterns. Flowers. Note the number of petals, color, symmetry, and arrangement. Flower structure is often critical in plant ID. Stems and bark. Check for color, thickness, texture, smooth, rough, hairy, and whether the plant is woody or herbaceous. Roots, if visible, look at root types, taproot, fibrous, or adventitious. Growth habit. Is the plant a tree, shrub, vine, or ground cover? Does it grow upright or spread? 2. Use of identification tools. Field guides and plant catalogs. These provide photos and descriptions that allow visual comparison. Dichotomous keys, a scientific tool that guides you through a series of questions based on plant traits. For example, are the leaves simple or compound? Each answer leads you closer to the species. Plant ID apps. Mobile apps like PlantSnap, Picture This, or iNaturalist can help you instantly identify plants using your phone's camera. 3. Advanced identification techniques. Microscopy used for close examination of cells and tissues, particularly helpful in distinguishing closely related species. DNA barcoding, a modern technique that uses a small genetic sample to identify species accurately, useful in research and conservation. Herbarium comparison. Botanists often compare specimens with preserved plant samples in herbaria, which are reference collections of dried plants. Cross-referencing and expert consultation. When in doubt, consult with horticulturists, botanists, or local extension services. Joining plant societies or horticulture.